Excelsior! Today I want to talk quickly about the Quick Access Toolbar. Yes, pun intended. Now, you may commonly notice this as the save, undo, forward buttons, maybe even underline. And what this is some shortcuts for you so that you don't have to go through different things to find them. And you can show it up here in the green, which is more traditionally, or you can even show it below the ribbon as such. Now, what you may not know is that you can add a lot of different things to this. So if you right click the Quick Access Toolbar and come to Customize, it then gives you this nice pop-up, and as you can see, we have autosave, save, undo, redo, but there's a lot of other things we can add on here. Decrease font size, insert picture, new file, different things that may come up. Pivot table, a lot of people are very interested in those. So if there's something you find that you're repeatedly doing, maybe even maybe you're constantly doing that, or trying to figure out, you want to see your macros a lot, you can then add them, select, and then add them over here, hit OK, and then there it is right there. If you ever forget what you put up here, just hover over and you can see what they were. Clipboard, undo. The Quick Access Toolbar is really nice also because you can add, once you've added your icon that you want, when you hit Alt to do your keyboard shortcut, it is now here. So this could really save you some steps in writing a macro, in that you could just put it on the Quick Access Toolbar and then you can go Alt 6 for font formatting, for example. Anyway, that is the Quick Access Toolbar. I hope this has helped you in some form or fashion. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out to me. If you would like any specificities on Excel to be explained further, leave those in the comments below. I would love to help in any form or way that I can. Hope you're having a great day, and thank you very much for listening.